What if I told you that 90% of English learners quit within the first 3 months? But the ones who succeed have one secret weapon that changes everything. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Unlock English Podcast. I'm your English coach, and today we're going to discover the hidden psychology behind successful English learning. If you've ever felt frustrated with your English progress, if you've ever wanted to give up, if you've ever wondered, will I ever speak fluently? Then this video is specifically made for you. Today, I'm sharing the exact mindset strategies that transformed struggling students into confident English speakers. And the best part? You can start using these today. But first, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We post fresh English content every single day, and you don't want to miss any of it. Let's talk about something nobody else will tell you. Most English courses focus on grammar rules and vocabulary lists, but they ignore the most important part, your mind. Your brain is like a smartphone. When you're stressed, worried, or frustrated, it runs slowly. When you're happy, relaxed, and confident, it learns at lightning speed. Think about this. Have you ever learned the lyrics to your favorite song without trying? Have you ever remembered a movie quote perfectly after hearing it once? That's your brain learning naturally. That's the power of enjoyment and repetition. Here's what successful English learners do differently. They treat English like a game, not a test. Instead of worrying about perfection, they focus on progress. Instead of studying for hours, they practice for minutes. Instead of memorizing rules, they copy native speakers. This completely changes how your brain processes English. I want to share a revolutionary technique that my students use to learn English faster than traditional methods. It's called the Daily 15-Minute Method. Here's how it works. Week 1 to 2, the foundation phase. Day 1 to 7, listen to the same English conversation for 15 minutes daily. Day 8 to 14, listen and repeat each sentence out loud. Week 3 to 4, the building phase. Day 15 to 21, create your own sentences using the words you heard. Day 22 to 28, record yourself speaking and compare to the original. Week 5 plus, the mastery phase. Use new conversations and repeat the cycle. Why does this work? Because your brain needs repetition and variety. The same content becomes familiar, then new content keeps you challenged. Most importantly, 15 minutes feels easy. Your brain doesn't resist. You build the habit without stress. Section 3. 4 mental tricks that change everything.
Let me share 4 psychological tricks that will revolutionize your English learning. Trick number 1. The good enough rule. Stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be understood. When you speak English, your goal isn't to sound like Shakespeare. Your goal is communications. If someone understands your message, you succeeded. Native speakers make mistakes too. They say, they forget words. They use wrong grammar sometimes. Language is messy, and that's normal. Trick number 2. The identity shift technique. Instead of saying, I'm learning English, start saying, I'm becoming bilingual. This small language change creates a big change in your mind. You're not a student struggling with lessons. You're a future bilingual person developing skills. Bilingual people think differently. They solve problems better. They earn more money. They travel more easily. You're becoming that person. Trick number 3, the environment hack. Change your environment, change your results. For 1 week, try this experiment. Change your phone to English. Watch Netflix with English subtitles. Listen to English podcasts while cooking. Follow English social media accounts. Don't study English, live in it. When English surrounds you, your brain adapts automatically.
Trick number 4. The social proof strategy. Find your English learning community online. Join Facebook groups, Discord servers, or Reddit communities where people practice English. When you see others making progress, your brain thinks, I can do this too. Social proof is powerful. When everyone around you speaks English, you naturally want to join the conversation. Section 5. The Success Timeline. What to expect. Let me give you realistic expectations about your English journey. Month 1. The confusion stage. Everything feels difficult. You understand some words, but miss others. This is normal. Your brain is building new pathways. Month 3. The recognition stage. You start recognizing patterns. You understand more than you can speak. You feel slightly more confident. Month 6. The breakthrough stage. Suddenly, sentences start making sense without translation. You catch yourself thinking in English sometimes. Month 12. The conversation stage. You can have real conversations even with mistakes. People understand you easily. You feel genuinely proud of your progress. Month 24. The fluency stage. English feels natural. You express complex ideas. You joke, argue, and dream in English. This timeline isn't fixed. Some people are faster, others are slower. But if you practice consistently, you will reach fluency. The question isn't, will I become fluent? The question is, how fast do I want to get there?
Let's address the elephant in the room: confidence. Maybe you understand English when you read it. Maybe you know grammar rules. But when someone speaks to you in English, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. You feel embarrassed. This happens to everyone. Even advanced learners experience this. Here's the truth. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. The Comfort Zone Challenge. This week, do one thing in English that scares you. Leave a comment in English on a YouTube video. Ask a question in an English learning forum. Order food in English, even if it's at McDonald's. Introduce yourself in English to someone online. Each small, brave action builds confidence. Each time you survive an English mistake, you realize it's not dangerous. It's just learning. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once exactly where you are now. They felt nervous. They made mistakes. They kept going anyway.
Section 6. Your English Success Action Plan. All right, let's turn knowledge into action. Here's your step-by-step plan for the next 30 days. Week 1. Foundation Building. Choose one English podcast or YouTube channel you enjoy. Listen for 15 minutes daily. Same content each day. Don't worry about understanding everything. Week 2. Active Participation. Continue with the same content. Pause after each sentence and repeat it out loud. Focus on copying the rhythm and sounds, not perfection. Week 3. Creative Application. Write 3 sentences daily using words from your listening practice. Record yourself reading these sentences. Share one sentence in the comments of English videos. Week 4. Real-world connection. Find one English speaker online to practice with. Join one English learning community. Set a goal for month 2. Daily non-negotiables. 15 minutes of English listening. 5 minutes of English speaking, even to yourself. And one new English word learned and used.
Before we finish, I want to tell you something important. Your decision to learn English isn't just about language. It's about who you want to become. You want to be the person who travels confidently, who gets better job opportunities, who connects with people from different cultures, who accesses information that isn't available in your native language. That person exists inside you right now. Every English word you learn, every conversation you have, every mistake you make, these are all steps toward becoming that person. Your future bilingual self is waiting. The question is, how quickly do you want to meet them?
Here's what I need you to do right now. Step 1. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. We publish new English learning strategies every single day. Step 2. Comment below with this exact sentence. I am becoming bilingual, and nothing can stop me. Yes, write it in English. This is your first brave action. Step 3. Choose one technique from today's video and commit to trying it for 7 days. If you're not sure what to choose, try shadowing or memorizing 5 new words a day. Just pick something and commit to it. Remember, you are capable of more than you think. Now, go make it happen.
Step 4. Share this video with one friend who's also learning English. Learning together makes the journey faster and more fun. Special bonus. If you comment your biggest English learning challenge below, I'll personally reply with specific advice for your situation. Remember, every English expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once nervous. Every fluent person was once exactly where you are now. The only difference? They kept going when it felt difficult. Your English success story starts today. I believe in you, and I can't wait to hear about your progress. See you in tomorrow's lesson. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep becoming the bilingual person you were meant to be. Until next time, this is Master English Daily signing off.